once you've got your drone out of the box, you want to mount your props to the motors. Now, just to be sure, you'll see an arrow indicating which direction, so clockwise to these. Also, you'll see the number of, so they're 34 inch with 11 pitch, so 34 11s with a CW, which is clockwise. Now you want to make sure you put them on the right motors. Here you'll see indication of the arrows going this way and clockwise. And these ones again, you'll see the arrows going counterclockwise. And again your 3411 CCWs counterclockwise. And again on your motor, you'll see counterclockwise and the arrows. Now when mounting them on, you'll have these 4 screws. Be sure to purchase some Loctite. You can get this readily available from Bunnings. Make sure you put those on your thread when you tighten them down. And this will basically have your blades and your props nicely tight to your motors. Now if you go to put these on the opposite motors, the aircraft will not take off. It will more likely flip, so just be sure and double check you've got them going in the right direction with the right props.